Welcome back, pre-calculators. Test for a review. We're on number 8. So solve ABC if A is 27 degrees, B is 78 degrees, C, we don't know. Little a, we don't know. Little b, we don't know. Little c is 19. How can we get this one started? We don't have, like, sine of something over its side, sine of something over its side. This one, I don't know the angle. But we know 27 plus 78, if we subtract those from 180, we could get this guy. So to find C, I'm going to take 180 degrees, because that's how many degrees are in a triangle. I'm just going to subtract off 27, 78. When we find out angle C, then would be 75 degrees. Now I've got some opposite signs. So sine 75 over 19. Let's find A first. Would be sine A over little a. Oops, sine A. Well, A is 27. There we go. So for little a, I have little a sine 75. It's equal to 19 sine 27. There's cross multiplication. Dividing off that sine, I'd have 19 sine 27 over sine 75. And little a would be 8.9. We're going to do a similar working over here, this time to find b. So sine 75 again is 19. Now let's find sine 78 to find little b. b sine 75, cross multiplying, is equal to 19 sine 78. Dividing by sine 75, I got little b as 19 sine 78 over sine 75. When we crunch that in our calculator, we get b is 19.2. All right, number 9. We're solving R, S, T. We know R is 53 degrees. We've got little r, we don't know. S is 40, T is 49. When I set up this triangle, R, S, T, we know R is 53, little s is 40, little t is 49. Got a side angle side, so I'm going to use law of cosines. So little r squared is going to be 49 squared plus 40 squared minus 2 times 49 times 40 cosine 53. Because it's r squared, I'm going to square root that. So r is going to be the square root of 49 squared, which is 2401. Oops. Plus 40 squared, which is 1600. 2 times 49 times 40 would be minus 3920. Cosine 53. Plugging that into our calculator, we get r is equal to 40.5. Now I've got a corresponding angle and its side length, so now we can revert over to law of sines. So sine 53 over 40.5 is equal to sine s over 40. So sine s would be 40 sine 53 over 40.5. So multiplying this guy over here. So s is going to be the inverse of sine, so sine inverse of this whole guy here. So 40 sine 53 over 40.5. Crunching that in our calculator, we get big S is 52 degrees. And we'll do the same thing for t. So sine 53 over 40.5. This time we got sine t is over 49. I'm going to go through the same steps to get this guy, but I'm just going to say t then would be sine inverse. This time though it's 49 times sine 53 all over 40.5. Crunching that in our calculator gives us 75 degrees. Oh, there we go. Did I have to do it that way? No, I didn't have to do that. Because Miss Harris wasn't thinking, how else could I find that? Well, we knew 2 of our angles, so I could have done 180 minus 53 minus 52 and gotten 75 degrees. Not sure what I was thinking on that one. All right, number 10. All right, I've got the opposite side and then an angle. So it looks like I'm gonna have two angles and two sides, so I'm thinking sines for this. They don't want us to find everything, just the value of x. So I know sine x over 50 is equal to sine 46 over 38. So sine x would be equal to 50 sine 46 over 38. All right, and so x would be sine inverse 50 sine 46 over 38. And so x is equal to, when we plug that into our calculator, it's 71 degrees. Now this happens to be the ambiguous case. If we had gone through the trouble of finding h and determining it, we would have seen that. So if we're looking at this angle here, its opposite is, or sorry, this guy here is bigger than this one. And then if we calculated h using the formula that we had before, sorry, get that backwards, h over b. H would be b sine a. So in this case, it would be 50 sine 38. We would see that h is also less than, this guy equals 30.78. So since this 50 is bigger than 30.78, and that 50 is bigger than that other side, we know that we're going to have two solutions. And so someone was asking me, do I have to calculate that every time? Not for what we're doing and not for standardized tests. You're going to have multiple choice tomorrow. But keep in mind, this, because it has two solutions, this might be your answer choice. But if you don't see this, don't be freaked out. See if the other possibility, remember the other possibility is 180 degrees minus 71 degrees, which is 109 degrees. So on a multiple choice test, on a standardized test, they could give you either of these. Either of these is the right answer. Is one more right than the other? No. So if you don't see 71 degrees, don't freak out. Go look for the obtuse angle. This is the acute angle that makes it work. This is the obtuse angle that makes it work. Go look for the other one, and it should be on there. All right, that's all the way to number 10. We'll start over with number 11 on the next video.